All right. So before I begin, always, I'm going to create my vortex of energy below my feet, around my body. And I do this mentally, and I also can use my hand to create a clockwise circle that goes around me. So remember, I'm opposite to you. So standing in front of you is 12 o'clock. And you're going to go to 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to go clockwise around you. Create this energy vortex. This allows the energy to be pulled from you that you don't need. It's all the energy you're dispersing is going to go into the earth. We have a video all on the vortex. Be sure to watch that. But we do this before we do any Qigong exercise because it just is a beautiful setup of releasing and really taking care of our energy. So after we do that, we're going to stand with our feet, as usual, shoulder width apart. The outsides of the feet are aligned with the outsides of my shoulders, as long as that's comfortable for you. And your feet are forward, again, as long as that's comfortable for you, but this aligns the energy. We're going to soften our knees, and we're going to begin to shake. Remember, you're going to learn this routine, and then you're going to take it into your life. So it takes a little time to get it down, but then it's going to be lickety-split. You can use it anywhere, anytime. Allow yourself to really get your breath going. The energy of the lungs begins the energy moving through the whole body in the morning. So we really want to get things moving. Let it go. Feet are flat on the floor, and my head is not bouncing. My head is level, but the rest of my body is like jello, okay? And slowly come to a stop, okay? Shake your legs out. If you want, I do this. It helps me, and then I come back to my center. I'm going to start with my right hand over my left lung points, and I'm going to massage. I'm going to massage my left lung points. Really, it doesn't matter which side you want to start on. And I'm just going in a circle. This area can be very sore because of how we're using our arms, or because of congestion, or because of tightness. Then I'm going to go in the opposite circular direction. This is lung 1 and lung 2 on the acupuncture points. These are very powerful energy points for the lung. And if you feel pain, sink into it. Don't push against it or fight against it. Say, hello, okay, I hear you, I feel you. And relax. Good. Now we're going to take a cupped hand and we're going to drop in. Get the sound first. Allow your wrist to be relaxed, and then you can do it faster, and we can count 9 times. There we go. Let it go. Bring the energy out. And I'm pulling it out my thumb and my first finger. Thumb is the end of the lung point. First finger is the end of the large intestine. The lung connects with the large intestine in Chinese medicine energetically. So here we go again. Just bring it down and out. One more time. Down and out. Good. We're going to tap again 9 times. Out. We're going to do this one more time. 9 times. Now this time I want you to go in deeper with your energy. As you clear it out, take your energy, go into your body, clear it out. Good. Throwing it into my vortex, clear it out. Perfect. Shake the arm. And we're going to go to the other side. So we're going to take my left hand, go to my right lung points. And I'm circling. And, just take notice. One side, of course, might be tighter than the other because you're one dominant hand. But you could also have emotional energy more in one side of the lung. Make sure you're staying relaxed, relaxing your knees. Change directions with your circles. Remember, we're just warming it up. Just getting some blood flow, getting the channel stimulated. That's the whole point. Good. And relax. And good, right? So it brings up some stuff. And we're going to take a little bit of cupping. Find that vibration. I'm going all the way to my scapula, inside. I want to hear it. I want to hear that sound. There we go. And then 9 times. So bring it out and down. Out my thumb and my first finger, throw it away. Inside, down. Inside, down. Keep my wrist relaxed while I do this. Cupped hand. 9 and down. And last time, cupped hand. Get that sound, vibration. This time, even deeper in your body and down. Even deeper. Clearing it out. One more time. Beautiful. Now, just to make sure, shake it out. Shake it out. Shoulders. Come to a stop, and we're just gonna finish. We're gonna place our hands in front of our belly. And we're going to feel the energy of our palms, of our Laogong points here in the center of our hands, facing against our lower belly or our lower Dantian. Relax your knees, relax your hips, relax your shoulders, drop that tailbone. We're just going to center in. So this is different than holding the ball. The ball is one exercise. Now we are actually facing our palms towards our lower belly. This is a standing posture pose to help build the lower Dantian. There are many ways to do this. So understand that your wrists are relaxed, my fingers are relaxed, and my palms are a little bit cupped like that because the energy focus is into my belly. And how is this energy being delivered? Well, I'm into the earth. I'm extending through into the universal chi. Those energies are coming through my Tai Chi pole. They're coming out from my heart center and the back of my heart center, coming down, and they're coming out my Laogong points. They're also coming out my fingertips as well, but these are very, very powerful energy points, and they're coming back into me. So, do you understand? I'm not forcing this. This is very important. This is happening because I am aligned. Okay? This is why it takes some time to get this alignment. I'm not forcing it. It's because I'm aligned. Okay? And so are you. So allow the energy to move into your belly. And just breathe and trust. Drop your tailbone, expand your spine, lower your chin, top of your head reaches to the universal energy. Your feet are grounded into the earth. Relax through your armpits. Breathing into your belly. If you have a hard time breathing into your belly, think of breathing into your hips. Into your hips. It will help. You'll do this for as long as you want to. Don't overdo it. okay? But allow yourself to settle in. You'll feel heat generating, and then roll it back into your belly. Roll the energy into your belly. Roll the energy into your belly. Hands on your belly, breathing in, and relax. Bring the arms down. Finish with pulling down heaven. One set, which is 3 times. And I'm focusing on bringing in divine light flowing all the way through my body as I access and inhale the energy of the earth, and I access and mix it with the energy of the universe. I roll it over me and I fill my body with light. And I fill my energy fields with light as well, because they're coming from my body. And you breathe as you need to. So if you need to take several breaths, then do that. Last time. Never hold your breath, keep it flowing, and if you can breathe in and out through your nose for this exercise, it's best. Beautiful. Hands on the belly, feet together. Have a beautiful day. So use that. Modify it as it works for you. It'll get faster as you do it. You know, we're in a learning process, but really get the nuances of everything and then take it into your life. It is really, really powerful to do for your energy, and really, really great to do for your emotional health and your physical well-being of the lungs and health. So have a beautiful day, everybody. Mwah.